everyone, and today we will go with the lesson for our spine healthy and more flexible. As you know, how young you are is how the spine flexible is. So try to practice more often and regular. It will improve the flexible and for the healthy spine. Now, just sit comfortable. The hand palm to the knee and gently close your eyes with deep inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. And now, gently open your eyes and we go with the single twist. Now, inhale, bring your hand over the head, look up. Exhale, bend to the right side. Try to sit on the floor and don't raise your hip. And straighten, lengthening your left hand and look at the ceiling. And just hold here for 5 seconds. If you can, bend your elbow. Press it down. Yes. Enjoy the stretching. Try to sit on the floor. Don't hold. Don't raise your hip. Stay here for a few more seconds. 1, 2, 3. Look at the ceiling. And 4 and 5. Slowly inhale, raise your hand over the head. Exhale, bend to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And try to lengthening your hand. And if you can, drop the elbow to the mat. If you can. If you cannot, just stay here. It's okay. And 5. Slowly inhale. Bring your hand over the head. Look up and exhale down. Now we go to twist both. Bring your left hand to the right knee and we make a twist to the right side. Just stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Try to straighten your spine. 4 and 5. And now from here again, inhale, raise your hand up to the ceiling. Exhale, twist to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly inhale, raise your hand up the ceiling. Exhale, release. And now, from here, we can do another twist. Bring your flex your right leg in and left leg over the right leg. Try to don't raise up your hip. Press the sitting bone on the mat. And from here, inhale, raise your right hand up the ceiling and bring your elbow to the knee. And twist to the left side. Stay here for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. Try to lengthening your spine. The sitting bone on the mat. 4 and 5. slowly release your hand, release your leg. We change side. Fix your left leg in, right leg over the left leg, and left hand up to the ceiling. Bend your hand and make a twist to the right side. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale and exhale, release. And now from here one more time, we will do the gate pose. Easy like this, and bring your leg over to the right side. Sit up on the heel. From here, right leg one side like this, and slowly bend to the left side. Bend to the right side. Left hand. Yes. And look at the ceiling. Try to open the chest more. Stay here for a few more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, hand up, look up, and release. Now we change to another side. Left leg, right hand. Try. We already do halfway. Very good. Inhale, raise your right hand up to the ceiling. Exhale, bend to the left side. Look up the ceiling. Stay here for a few seconds. If you feel too much, just stay here, it's okay. Try to lengthening your hand and lengthening, feel the stretching, feel all the stretching in the right side, and look up the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale and release. Now we go with a low lunge. From here, you can go to the diamond pose. Bring your hand, palm together, press it down and look up the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to breathe normal, don't hold your breathing here. And 5. Exhale, forward fold. Let's stay here. Your hand can put beside. Go very gentle child pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, we push the body axis to the diamond pose. And now we will go with the low lunge, crescent lunge. Bring your knee 90 degrees here. Stay firmly and strongly. Tuck in your core. We inhale. Raise your hand over the head and look up the ceiling. Yes, just stay here. If you can, slowly drop your head up behind. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale down. Now we change the leg. Right leg back, left leg in front. One more time we do. Seen from here. Try to stay firmly and square. Inhale and exhale. If you feel your knee pain, is your distance is not correct. So from here, you try to square. The waist needs to go to the two parts of the body. Strongly and firmly. Tuck in your core and inhale. Raise your hand over the head Sink your hip lower down. Yes, just stay here for a few more seconds. 1. If you can, bend back behind. 2. Don't hold your breathing here. Try to breathe normal. 4. 3. And 4. And 5. Slowly drop your hand down. And from here, you can go with child pose. Sit down on the heel and lengthening your hand. Just stay here for a few seconds. 1. Observe your breathing here. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Slowly bring your hand back and sit to diamond pose. Now we will do the bow pose and the bridge pose, and we will do one more. That's 3 more posture. We go. Now just lie down on the mat first. We do with the bridge pose. Bend your leg together, the hand palm beside the body, and slowly inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, raise your hip up. Try tuck in the chin to the chest. Yes, just stay here for 5 seconds. Try to bring your hip higher as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly drop it down. And straighten your legs, straighten your hand to the right side. And we will do the cobra pose. One more time. Put your hand beside this. And slowly bring your chest up, open the chest. Just stay here for 5 seconds. You can pull the shoulder, open the shoulder more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly sit on the diamond posture. Yes, very beautiful. Then now, from here we will go with the right arm. Stand in front of the mat one more time. Very easy and simple. Inhale, raise your hand up over the head, lengthening the same someone. Pull you up the ceiling and bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, you forward fold. That hold your elbow like this. Yes. Beautiful. Just stay here for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly bring your body up. And from here you can open your hand, open your leg, relax. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Out, you can close your hand, close your leg to prayer posture. That deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, exhale. And now, slowly, gently open your eyes. Namaste, everyone. Thank you for watching and follow my class today. And I hope to see you in next class. Thank you.